Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your early years trainer. I always give sessions and webinars on different topics related to, classroom, you know, approaches and theories, right? So in this tutorial, we shall be talking about the Jolly Phonics classroom kit. You can go to my previous sessions. You can go to the previous, tutorials to know about, complete Jolly Phonics tutorial is being shared on my YouTube channel. So it is by the name of part 1, part 2, and so on. So you can check out them as well. And you can check in my description link. I have already given the links out there also. So today, my topic of tutorial is Jolly Phonics Classroom Kit. So here, this is a beautiful kit which I can order or my organization will order for me. And in this kit, I will get number of resources. I can see on my screen that there are number of resources which I will receive in this Jolly Phonics kit, right? So this is all meant for the teacher only, and the teacher will use, the facilitator will use during that phonics session. It contains a comprehensive set of classroom resources for teacher to use with their children in the classroom. It provides resources for teaching the children to read and write. I'm, telling you in my every session that Jolly Phonics is nothing but, telling the sound to the children. No, it is a complete package. It is meant for reading. It is meant for writing. It is meant for tricky words. It is meant for spellings. So yeah, it is a complete package. And you should go for this tutorial, complete tutorial of Jolly Phonics, so that you can use it in your classroom. It is a beautiful approach, and I've already discussed in detail in my previous sessions about it. All the items are contained in a bright case for neat and easy storage. So I can see beautiful flashcards here. I can see soft toy as well. I can see, picture cards. So you can use them during that, phonics session to enrich your session, to make your session interesting and fruitful. All these resources are there in a single box. Now this is for your understanding. This is for your knowledge that I'm sharing it, that the single box is having a phonics handbook in which you will get the complete phonics. Then there is one DVD so that you can play it as well. Then there is a word book, right? Tricky words are there in the entire journey of Jolly Phonics. So yes, word book is also there. Then you have set of 7 books. Why 7? Because there are 7 groups. Very simple, right? Then I can see letter sound strips. So you can use those strips while your session is going on. You can use the cards. Picture cards are there while doing that session, enriching their session. Then alternative alphabets posters are also there. So you can make your setup, complete setup before the session, and then you can use the resources. Tricky words, word wall flowers, very interesting. I want to put some light on it. Tricky words are those words which are actually not easy to speak by the child who is just 3 years old, who is just 3.5 years old. It like, say, for example, I've already told number of tricky words which are used in Jolly Phonics. For example, castanets, and then I say puff the candles, and blowing, and all these are the different tricky words which are being used during this entire Jolly Phonics. So there are the beautiful flowers of it. You can put that in your wall, that is your word wall, so that that sight learning will be there. Then you have Jolly Phonics wall freeze. Then you have your puppets. Tricky word hat, very interesting. Finger phonics sets, 1 to 7, again 1 to 7, because 7 groups are there. Resources CD, okay, resources CD is also there. You have a big book, you have A4 book, read and see pack. Read and see pack. Now I'm just dragging my screen, and you can easily see there are you can see the reading packs out here on the screen. So such kind of reading packs. All 12 titles are there, right? Complete set, all 18 items in 4 different levels, plus free PowerPoint presentation CD and 30 parents guide, right? So here, why we are putting stress on the parent guide, because whatever we are doing in the school, that clarity should be there with the parent, that how we are doing this jollyphonic session in the school, and how you have to enrich the same session at the home, so that that recall, that recapitulation for that particular session should be done at the home as well. Because here we always talk about the collaborative learning. When I say collaborative learning, the transparency should be there with the parent, so that that connect will be there, that whatever I am doing in the classroom, the same my parent is enriching me with at home. So there is a connect, so the child will also feel that connect, and there will be no gap in the learning of the child, right? So this is all about the Jollyphonics material kit, right? So you can order this kit, or your organization can order this kit for you, and you can utilize this classroom kit for making your session enriched. So this is all about today's tutorial. Now I shall meet you in my next video with the next topic of Jollyphonics. Stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed the channel, just subscribe it, put on the like on button, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.